بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Here we will discuss Physics Class 9 Chapter 8 Thermal Properties of Matter Exercise question. Now question 8.1, circle the correct answer. Number 1, have water freezes at A 0 degree Fahrenheit, B 32 degree Fahrenheit, or C minus 273 Kelvin, or D has 0 Kelvin. So the correct option is option B 32 degree Fahrenheit. Number 2, a normal human body temperature is 15 degrees centigrade, 37 degrees centigrade, 37 degree Fahrenheit, 98.6 degrees centigrade. So the correct option is option B 37 degrees centigrade. Number 3, mercury is used as thermometric material because it has uniform thermal expansion, low freezing point, small heat capacity, or all of above. So the correct option is option D, all of above. Number 4, which of the following material have large specific heat? A, copper, B, ice, C, water, D, mercury. So the correct option is option C, water. Number 5, which of the following materials have large values of temperature coefficient of linear expansion? A, aluminium, B, gold, C, brass, or D, steel. Correct option is option A, aluminium. Now number 6, what will be the value of beta for a solid for which alpha has a value of 2 into 10 minus 5 per Kelvin? A had 2 into 10 minus 5 per Kelvin, 6 into 10 minus 5 per Kelvin, 8 into 10 minus 15 per Kelvin, 8 into 10 minus 5 per Kelvin. So the correct option is option B, 6 into 10 minus 5 per Kelvin. Number 7, a large water reservoir keeps the temperature of nearby land moderate due to low temperature of water, low specific heat of water, less absorption of heat, or large specific heat of water. So the correct option is option B, low specific heat of water. Number 8, which of the following affect evaporation? Temperature, surface area of liquid, wind, or all of above. So the correct option is option D, all of the above. Now question 8.2, why does heat flow from hot body to cold body? Molecules of hot body have greater kinetic energy than the molecules of cold body. Therefore, fast energy moving molecules give their energy to the molecules having low energy. So we can say that heat flows from hot body to the cold body. Now question 8.3, define the term heat and temperature. Heat क्या है? Heat is energy that is transferred from one body to the other body which are in thermal contact with each other due to the temperature differences between the bodies. Temperature क्या है? Degree of coldness or hotness of the body is known as temperature. Question 8.4, what is meant by internal energy of the body? The sum of all kinetic energy and potential energy associated with the atoms, molecules, and particles of the body is called internal energy. Mathematically, internal energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now, question 8.5, how does heating affect the motion of the molecules of the gas? On heating the gas, the motion of molecules becomes faster, and as a result of which internal energy of the molecule increases. Question 8.6, what is thermometer? Why mercury is preferred as a thermometric substance? Thermometer, the instrument which is used to measure temperature, is called thermometer. Mercury is preferred as thermometric substance because it has high boiling point, it has low melting point, it does not wet glass, good conductor of heat, it has low heat capacity. Now question 8.7, explain the volumetric thermal expansion. Heating a block causes an increase in length, breadth, and thickness, that is, volume of the block increases with the change in temperature, that is called volumetric thermal expansion. The volumetric thermal expansion depends on original volume of block, change in temperature, or nature of material of block. Mathematical form, consider a solid of initial volume V0 at a temperature T0. On heating the solid to the temperature T, let its volume become V. Then change in volume of solid delta V is equal to V minus V0. Change in temperature delta T is equal to T minus T0. Change in volume is proportional to the V naught and change in temperature, so V minus V naught directly proportional to V naught. Equation 1 हो गई and V minus V naught directly proportional to T minus T naught. Equation 2 हो गई. Combining equation 1 and 2, V minus V naught directly proportional to V naught T minus T naught. And V minus V naught is equal to beta V naught T minus T naught. Here beta is equal to coefficient of volume expansion. Now V is equal to V naught plus beta into V naught T minus T naught, and V is equal to V naught into 1 plus beta into delta T. Now question 8.8, define specific heat. How would you find the specific heat of solid? Specific heat of a substance is the amount of heat that required to raise the temperature of 1 kg mass of that substance through 1 Kelvin. Method to find specific heat of solid. The method of mixture is used to find the specific heat of any solid. Question 8.9, define and explain latent heat of fusion. Heat energy required to change unit mass of a substance from solid to liquid state at its melting point without change in its temperature is called its latent heat of fusion. It is denoted by HF. HF is equal to delta QF divided by M. Its unit is joule per kg. Explanation. Ice changes at 0 degrees centigrade into water. Latent heat of fusion of ice is 3.36 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per kg. That is 3.36 into 10 raised to power 5 joule. Heat is required to melt 1 kg ice into water at 0 degrees centigrade. Now question 8.10, define the latent heat of vaporization. Heat energy required to change unit mass of a substance from liquid to gaseous state at its boiling point without change in its temperature is called its latent heat of vaporization. It is denoted by HV. HV is equal to delta QV by M. Its unit is joule per kg. Question 8.11, what is meant by evaporation? On what factors the evaporation of a liquid depends? Explain how cooling is produced by evaporation. The process of changing liquid into vapor gaseous state from the surface of a liquid without heating it is called evaporation. Dependence factor. Evaporation of a liquid takes place at all temperature from the surface of a liquid. The rate of evaporation is affected by various factors. On one hand, temperature. At higher temperature, more molecules of a liquid moving with high velocities, thus more molecules will escape from its surface. Thus, evaporation is faster at higher temperature than at lower temperature. That is why wet clothes dry quickly in summer than in winter. Surface area. Large is the surface area of liquid, greater number of molecules has a chance to escape from its surface. Wind. Wind blowing over the surface of a liquid sweeps the liquid molecule that have just escaped out. This increases the chance for more liquid molecules to escape out. Nature of a liquid. Evaporation of a liquid depends on nature of a liquid. For example, if we take spirit and water on alcohol, as evaporation rate of spirit is greater than water, so we feel cooling effect due to evaporation of spirit. Cooling effect produced by evaporation. During evaporation, molecules having high kinetic energy will escape out from the liquid surface quickly, and molecules with less kinetic energy are left behind. This lowers the average kinetic energy of a liquid molecule and temperature of a liquid fall, and thus evaporation is a cooling process. इवेपोरेशन कूलिंग प्रोसेस इस तरह से है क्योंकि इवेपोरेशन का जब प्रोसेस हो रहा होता है तो जिन मॉलिक्यूल्स की हायर काइनेटिक एनर्जी होती है वो सबसे पहले स्केप कर जाते हैं फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ लिक्विड से, और पीछे जो है वो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैविंग लो काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो होते हैं वो सरफेस के ऊपर मौजूद होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो है वो टेम्परेचर जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है और कूलिंग इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस होता है बाय इवेपोरेशन. Now that's all about exercise questions of chapter thermal properties of matter. Thanks for watching my videos and share my videos, like my channel and press the bell icon for the subscription in order to get the notification for all the videos which will be uploaded in future. Take care. Allah Hafiz.